Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to place music on your USB drive from your Windows PC or computer here. So let's go ahead and jump into this video right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is place this USB drive into my computer in the front slot. So it's now connected and you should see File Explorer open up. If you don't, we're going to have to open it up ourselves. So you can see it's highlighted down here and it opened up on my computer. Now, if it doesn't open up, we can go down to File Explorer right here, right click on it, and we can go to File Explorer, open this up. On this left side here, scroll on down until we see this PC. So we can see this PC right here, and you should see all your drives on your computer. So if you have too many of them, you can't tell which one it is, unplug it and then plug it back in. So which one disappeared? It looked like the E drive. So I'm going to plug it back in. And now I can see which drive I'm going to plug in. Okay, so it's the drive right here. So I'm going to open this up by double clicking on it. All right, so I can see everything in here. So if you're going to play music on here, you might want to right click and then go to new and maybe make a folder for music. So let's do an example here, music. Just like that. Okay, so I can place music in here. Now I need to find my music on my computer. So we can go back to File Explorer, right click on it, and then we can drag this and drop it into a different location here. We can minimize this a little bit so you can see kind of both folders at the same time. And it might make it a little bit easier to drop and drag this. So locate your music folder. Should be somewhere under here, wherever we have it stored. So I'm going to go to music. I think I got something under playlist. And then here's a song. Let's say this is a song. I'm not sure what this is. It just says Warzone. And it's not very large file. It's a ZPFL file, wherever that means. So I can take this now, or I can go to the top here and go to select all if I have a bunch of audio in there. And then I can drop and drag it right into this music folder on my E drive. And it should be in here now. Now I can go back to this PC, wherever this is, go to my drive, right click on it, and go to eject. Okay, so it's going to be disappearing now. Go to your drive and remove it. So let's remove it from my computer now. And now I can bring it to my TV, my computer, wherever I want to go ahead and play that audio. So you can see I have a USB-C end. I can plug it into a phone. I can get on there. I can bring it to a TV. Maybe my car has a little USB port too. I can plug it in there and listen to audio there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.